So hey guys, welcome back to the Pop Corner, and guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the episode number 4 of Silo season 3, which came out today. And guys, I have seen it, and guys, this episode contains very big reveals in it. So I'm going to talk about whatever happened in this episode, and I will share my opinion and my thoughts about those events in this episode. So if you don't want to miss any of that, watch the video till the end. So this episode starts right from the last episode ended, where we saw that Camille is now considering to kill Juliet in the hospital bed, so she can save all the other people in the silo from getting their memory wiped. So she gave the order to kill Juliet in the hospital to Nurse Amy, who we saw in the first and second episode, who was giving a memory suppression medicine to Juliet, as we saw. Nurse Amy wasn't playing from the side of Camille. Instead of killing Juliet, she helped her escaping from the hospital. She drugged the guard who was standing there, and she told Juliet that she was swiping out the memory suppression pills, and that is why Juliet started getting those glimpses from her past. So Amy was playing from the our side, and she is one of the good guys, but we didn't know. And she was getting orders from someone, and she told Juliet to go pump room number 76. And when Juliet went there, we saw Judge Sims there, and he was trying to tell Juliet something, but she was afraid, and Juliet thought that he is going to kill her, and that is why she ran. And then the friend of Juliet, I don't remember her name, she came and she locked Judge Sim in the room, and they left. And after that, Juliet went down into the void, and that's where the biggest reveal of this episode happened. When Juliet arrived into the void, she saw that someone is living there. She heard someone coughing, and when she pulled out the curtain, she saw Bernard there. Bernard is alive and he is really well, but he is not fully recovered. He is sick, but he is alive, and that was a biggest surprise for me. And that tells us that Judge Sims has now came to his senses. He is not working for the silo, he is working for the truth, and he is working for the humanity. That is why he tried to save Juliet. That is why he offered to kill Juliet, so he can save her instead of letting Camille go and kill her. And he is the one who saved Bernard, and I think he is the one who put Bernard into in the void so he can be saved, because he was the one who told Camille that he killed Bernard when he came back all burned out. And that is really biggest reveal of this episode. I really enjoyed it. And on the other hand, Lucas Kyle met Patrick Kennedy, and he told everything that he knows, and now he is going back into the void because he knows that Juliet went there. And I think he is going to stop her from getting into the water that he went, and he went into that tunnel where he found something, and we still don't know what he found, but he is going to stop Juliet because it is going to be dangerous. So these are the things that happened in the present. And if we talk about the flashback, Helen, the reporter, and the guy congressman was digging deeper into the mission of his sister, and they found something. But a mysterious guy came to them, and he bribed Helen to give her old job back at the Times. And he threatened the congressman. He threatened him that if they dig deeper into it, he will pull out all the resources, and he will pull out all the treatment that his sister is getting, because it is so expensive and the insurance doesn't cover it. So because of that, Helen and the congressman dropped out the whole idea, but in the end they found something, and now they are digging into it much deeper, and they are now really serious. And I don't know what is going to happen, but I am really looking forward to see the next episode, because I am really excited to see Bernard and Juliet having a conversation, and what Lucas Kyle told Bernard before he went all suicidal. So I'm really excited about the fifth episode of Silo. What about you guys? Have you seen this episode? If you have, let me know your thoughts about it in the comment box below, or if you have some theories, please share them with me in the comment box below too. So guys, that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.